speak teenager really well.
That's so. No. But he still wants to know Spanish.
Like, I want to know Spanish, but when
Talk with your partner, decide if you're willing to come up here.
-2 is -4, and then you add the accent.
Yeah.
So it would be -4.
Yep, and we had to cancel the class.
If, just in case this entices you, I've got 3 different whales up here. Whoa, whale day. I've got an octopus and a spike.
you'd like me to write.
That's like a fish type of fish something. I don't know what kind of fish that is. I don't, real
We
fish?
need to
Probably
know
not.
Clark.
Is it like, it's a new I'm Aware card color, is it like the first one, or did you already give them out?
Okay, no, we don't have, I've already given out the first one. But we do have some golds in there. They're pretty nice, right? I mean, are they any different than those? No, but it's gold, right? Okay, all right. Also, if you take a fish or a thing, you could have a free seaweed with it. Wow. Are you serious? Is this a setting? As well as a character? Whoa. Or I could read your fortune. Yeah, math class is crazy. All right,
I love reading my fortune.
here we go. One hand per partner if you're interested.
Hope it's
One,
You
2, 3,
will go
4, 5, 6.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry about it. 6.
Obviously, I did it back then.
Sierra, you should stand over by the computer so it picks up your voice.
Yeah, half of the hair that's left.
Then it would be half of that,
hair.
and
Yeah,
then
that's why it's gonna take forever, because
Ah,
I'm never all
okay.
I go.
Okay.
Standing routinely asks Penny to read him this comic. I don't understand it.
Oh, wow. Hey,
Alright.
what?
Go ahead, talk loud.
Okay, so we need a common denominator, so we multiply the bottom by x minus 2 on the bottom of that 2, and then we multiplied the top as well, since we multiplied the bottom, and then that gave us 2x minus 4 over x minus 2. Then we multiplied.
Okay, whoa. I'm getting lost. So you multiplied by that x minus 2 and that canceled out all the x minus 2's on the bottoms? So let's can't cross off all those x minus 2's on the bottom. And that x minus 2 on top, because that canceled that out.
Okay,
Yep, that one?
Yep.
Yep, and that one? Okay, now it actually says
Okay.
x equals 2 plus, okay, I'm good.
okay, so then it gives us x equals 2 plus 2x minus 4. And then we subtracted negative 2x from the x. And then added 2 plus negative 4.
Yeah,
Which
we just
is
did it in the
negative
opposite
2.
order, but that's fine. So now subtract 2x from both sides. To match what she's saying. Beautiful.
Which gives us negative 1x equals negative 2.
Mhm.
Then you divide by negative 1, which gives us x equals 2.
Beautiful, go get a prize. You're fantastic. Feel free to dig through and get those gold ones. Oh, you guys are like, psh, gold doesn't even matter. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Take it, yeah. All right, now. I'm about to say something crazy. And I'm pulling out a pen.
Oh, God.
Oh, whoa. What's going on? This answer is actually wrong. And it's not because you did your math wrong, because you did your math perfectly right, which is why I gave you a prize.
I knew.
But it's actually, this problem is a no solution problem, and the question is why, so I'm gonna give you a chance to think. Why is 2, okay, chill out, Kyle. No one believes you.
Why is it wrong?
So the question is, why is 2 a bad answer? And if you can figure it out, then raise your hand.
This doesn't count, Chris doesn't.
Hey, we're just gonna give it to Mason. Nobody wants to challenge?
Yeah, because Chris.
Ooh, 4 challengers. Kyle, you look like you're raising your hand just out of a whim. that right?
Can I do it too?
Sure. 1,
Yeah.
2, Kyle, 3, Emma, 4, Mason, 5, Emma.
Raise it as a group.
No! I hope you get picked, because I want to hear your
Do
answer.
it.
Me too.
3.
No.
Mm-hmm. Why is 2 not an answer? Why is the answer to this no solution?
You know, I had an answer for it.
Okay, okay. In the panic moment, we're done with that, right?
Yeah.
Number 5.
Oh, it's because if you plug 2 back in, then it's just gonna equal 0.
0 where?
Let's go.
0 is a legit answer. Crystal.
In the beginning of the answer.
Aww.
Oh yeah, the bottom of the fraction was 0.
You know, just because your face is covered in a mask doesn't mean I can still see it move a little bit. And then she goes, "Oh yeah."
Oh,
Okay, say it to me again, Emma.
because if you plug 2 back in, then it's gonna be 0 on the bottom of the fraction, and that doesn't.
Yeah, you can't have.
I
You guys
actually
remember
said
that's
that
like a
before.
major rule. You can't have 0 on the bottom of a fraction. You don't remember this? Take out your phones right now. Everybody take out their cell
It
phones.
has to be a 1.
Take out your cell phones. Open up your calculator on your cell phone.
2 divided by 0
It says error.
Oh, everybody take out your calculator. Divide any number by 0.
Mine says undefined.
Some actually say can't divide by 0.
Let's see if mine's
So you don't have to plug it back in and check everything here. You just have to make sure the bottom of the equation doesn't turn out to be 0. So this is actually no solution. But ladies, you did solve it correctly. It's just sometimes you have to check afterwards and make sure that there's not a problem there. I mean, I feel like I should be partially give, can you want to give like part of your pen to Crystal and Thomas? You got maroon, red, orange, or pink.
That's crazy.
I could've got a free pen.
Did you know the answer?
I got the finger
Yeah.
pointed at me.
Did Crystal know the answer, or did you know the answer?
I mean,
I mean. All right, example 3. All right. Three x plus 2 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x equals negative 2 over x squared minus 2x. Now, I'm going to help you start this guy. Oh, horrible. Yeah, it's horrible. Okay, any ideas of how we can start this? Kyle.
You can apply it next.
Okay, so you're saying that, I'm just going to rewrite this quick. And down here I pull out an x like I'm factoring. Lovely. Does everybody understand how I pulled out an x, I took it out, left it on the outside? So now I need a common denominator, right? Everybody with me?
Yeah.
Cool. So what am I missing? What do I want the common denominator to be? Kyle.
X times, in parentheses, x minus 2.
Right, so basically what it is over here, right? What am I missing on this one?
Max.
An x. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by an x. What am I missing on this one?
X minus 2.
All right, now I'm going to leave you be. Go ahead and solve it.
Okay.
And I'm definitely going to give a prize for this one too.
So, basically, what's gonna happen?
You said you could do it. Wow, not my fault.
The answer to this is actually going to be 2 answers. One is x equals 0 and one is x equals negative 1. Oh, hey, by the way, a whole bunch of you didn't return my graphing calculators. And a whole bunch of the like 3rd hour math students and 4th hour math students didn't have their calculator here. And like, I'm required to make sure that the same person uses the same calculator every day. So if that was one of you, don't do it again, okay? Return it back at the beginning of the day or by 3rd hour, because that's really my first class of the day.
Okay,
Middleman.
so, did you get the top of the fraction?
Yeah, good job. And also you can, just factor out 3x.